everyone, I welcome you all in science class students. Students, today we are going to revise chapter number 14, Introduction to Magnetism. So student, here in this chapter we are going to revise about the discovery of magnet, what a magnet is, properties of magnet and precaution while handling magnets, and last uses of magnets. So if I ask you what is a magnet, so how will you answer? A magnet is an object which attracts pieces of iron, steel, nickel and cobalt. Magnet comes in different shapes, sizes depending on their usage. The most common magnet is a bar magnet, right? But my question is, how this magnet discovered? Let's discuss about that. So student, the discovery of magnet is related to a shepherd named Magnus, and it was done 4000 years ago. Once upon a time, he went to herd his sheep in an area of northern Greece. Suddenly, both the nails in his shoe and the metal tip of his shoe got stuck to a large black rock. To find out the source of attraction, he dug up the soil, the earth and found a large rock beneath. The name of this rock is lodestone. What is the speciality of this stone? This lodestone have magnetite, which is actually a magnetic material, and the formulation is Fe3O4. Fe stand for iron, O for oxygen, right? And magnetized is an iron ore. So later on, that rock named after his name, Magnesia or Magnus. So as I told you what a magnet is, again I am repeating, magnet is an object which attract pieces of iron, steel, nickel, cobalt, right? Now if the question come, name some metals which are not attracted by magnet. So what will you answer? Metals. First of all, metals like aluminium, copper, zinc, gold, silver. These metals are not attracted by magnet. These metals are not attracted by magnet, right? So magnet is of two types, natural magnet and artificial magnet. Natural magnet basically found in nature. For example, as I talk about lodestone, which is named, means after that it named as magnetite. It's a natural magnet, right? And next one is the artificial magnets. Artificial magnets are the magnets which are made by men, right? Are called artificial. They have now artificial magnets have different shapes and sizes. So here you can see the pictures: dumbbell shaped magnet, horseshoe magnet, needle shaped magnet, bar magnet and ring shaped magnet. All these are the artificial magnet. Artificial magnet are made of iron, alloy of iron, nickel, cobalt. Alnico is a good quality of permanent magnet. It's a permanent magnet, and the material in which the material that is used to make a permanent magnet, that is alnico, alloy of iron, nickel and cobalt. Do remember this name, alnico. Magnetic and non-magnetic material. So some materials such as iron can easily be magnetized, right? If a magnet is brought near a piece of iron, it get attracted, right? It get attracted towards it. But if I bring any plastic lid, right, any object which is made up of plastic, the magnet will not able to attract the plastic. So what we call such kind of magnet which is not get attracted by the magnet, right? So such kind of material which is not get attracted by a magnet are called non-magnetic materials. Are called non-magnetic materials. And the materials which get attracted towards a magnet are called magnetic material. So now you can easily name some magnetic and non-magnetic. Magnetic material, iron. It's a magnetic material. Now name some any other iron rod is a magnetic material, right? Some steel pin. Tell me, steel pin. Is it a magnetic material or a non-magnetic material? Steel pin. It's a magnetic material. Like if I talk about non-magnetic, you can write plastic spoon, wooden board. All these are non-magnetic materials. Next we will discuss properties of magnet. So magnet has unique property, right? So let's discuss about it one by one. First one is a magnet has two poles. The two ends of the magnet are called pole. One end which is located towards the south direction, that is south pole, and the other end which is located to the north direction, it is called north pole, right? Magnet has two poles, north and south. So whenever the magnet suspended freely, it means it align itself in the north and south position. So the pole or the end which is located towards the north position, that one is the north pole, and the end which is located towards the south pole or south direction, it is called, that end is called south pole, right? So this is the very first property of a magnet, that a magnet always have two poles, right? And the poles of magnet are inseparable. If a magnet is divided into two parts, then both of them will have north and south pole, right? If we keep dividing the magnet, we will keep finding the two poles in each pieces. So the pole always exists in pairs. Do remind it, the pole always exists in pairs. So I hope you have understood all the things which we have discussed. In next class, we will discuss the rest property of magnet. That's it. Thank you and have a nice day ahead.